In this quick video, we'll be covering Partnerize, the only partnership software and services solutions for content creators, ambassadors, brands, retailers, partners, and influencers. One of the big brands that use Partnerize is the Adobe Affiliate Program. To join the Adobe Affiliate Program, you scroll down, you click Apply Now. It takes you over to partnerize.com to sign up to the Adobe Affiliate Program today. But if you're just looking to join the Partnerize Affiliate Program to see what they have, come over to Customers, come down to Affiliates, and here you'll be able to join Partnerize. By signing up to the platform, then you'll be able to search once you're inside. You simply just need to fill out your email address, select a username, and add a password. So I've gone ahead and done that here. I'm going to go ahead and select Continue. Here you'll need to select your country, enter your company address, select Continue. Here you'll select vertical, choose from one of the verticals that applies to what you cover or the types of programs that you will be promoting as an affiliate. If you don't know, go ahead and select other. Partner type here, you can go ahead and select again the one that makes sense. For example, I'll go ahead and say content as a content creator. Here for your website, web protocol is required, so please include the HTTPS or HTTP at the front of your website. For example, https partnerize.com. So I'll go ahead and put in my website and my company name, accept terms and conditions. Before you do that, you need to actually click and read all the terms and understand what the terms and conditions are. Understand them fully before you accept. Go ahead and close that. Then say I am a human and go ahead and sign up. Then you'll see here a verification email has been sent. A verification email has been sent to the email address linked to this account. Click the link in the email to complete sign up. Then you'll pop into your email and you will see an email. Please verify your email from partnerize.com. Here you'll see a big green button, verify your email. Click it, email address verified, log into Partnerize. Then here you'll enter your username and your password. Again, select that you are a human and go ahead and log in. Here you get a welcome screen. You can see here step 1 of 14, welcome to Partnerize. Let's go ahead and start. Going to essentially walk you through this checklist. Go ahead and go through each one of these. Read them, understand what you are complying to. Check this box to receive marketing communications if you want to receive their emails. Check that. If you don't, well, then don't check it. Click Next. Step 3, you're going to see this is the domain you provided when you signed up. If you have more domains, navigate back here after completing this guide and click Manage right there to add different properties that you want to use inside of your Partnerize account. Go ahead and click Next. Here you can click Save to save your partner settings. So we'll go ahead and click Save. Step 5, if you'd like a tour around the key areas of the platform, click Next. Of course, continue through this so you understand exactly what you're looking at. Go ahead and click Next. It'll take us to the admin menu where you can configure your account settings. We'll go ahead, click Next. Dashboard, this is the default login page. It gives you an overview of your performance. So that'll be the clicks and the money that you're making. Go ahead, click Next. Here you see campaigns. This is where you can apply to join campaigns, accept invitations from brands, and view the details of the campaigns you are approved on. Tracking is where you can find tracking links for your approved campaigns. These will be the affiliate links that you share to earn commissions. Content is where you find banners, text links, HTML, and feeds for your approved campaigns. Analytics or reporting is where you can view, analyze, save, and download your performance reports. And payments, of course, is where you'll see how much you're owed and go ahead and withdraw that once your commissions have been approved. Step 13 of 14, click on the light bulb to access the Resource Center where you can view product and other Partnerize announcements, access a knowledge base, launch interactive platform training guides. Go ahead and click Next. And congratulations, you have completed the guide. If you need any help on the platform, check out the Resource Center View Our Getting Started guide. If you want to learn more, go ahead and check out these account setup, join a campaign, find my tracking links and payment setting tour. Make sure that you check out their Getting Started guide, as this is just a video to simply make you aware of Partnerize and what the sign up and setup process looks like. Go ahead and click Finish and you are in. Then simply you would just come over to campaigns. Then you'd come under Join Campaigns. Then there is a list of campaigns. As you can see, I've selected the United States dollar as my currency. So it has limited some of the campaigns. But for example, if I wanted to join Chewy or one of these other brands, I would just simply go ahead and select that brand. For example, we'll come down here to Beachbody, and then you would come over and you would select one of these that you want to Join, for example, if you just wanted to join ladder, you'd go ahead and select this, that you agree to the terms and conditions, and you would select join selected campaigns. Then once you select that, the requested campaign has been added to your list. You'll be notified whether you are approved or denied, and then you will move on into your tracking. Here you'll have your list of campaigns. Then you can set up your tracking links once you get approved. Then back to your dashboards, and you'll start checking out your clicks and your conversions and how much money you make as an affiliate when you start sharing those links. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.